Google just dropped a free AI agent that controls your browser like a human. It clicks buttons, fills out forms, and even plays games without writing a single line of code. This thing is ranked #1 for speed and accuracy, and I'm about to show you exactly how to use it to automate your entire business. Stay until the end because I'll show you how to set this up in under 5 minutes. Google just released Gemini computer use, and this thing is insane. It's a free AI agent that can control your browser like a human being. I'm talking clicking, typing, scrolling, navigating websites all on its own. No APIs, no scripts, no coding required, just pure automation. And the best part, it's completely free right now. So if you've ever wanted to automate research, fill out forms, check stock prices, or even draft emails without lifting a finger, this is the tool you've been waiting for. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Let me show you what this thing can actually do. All right, let's break this down. Gemini computer use is powered by Gemini 3.0 Flash. It's Google's newest AI model built specifically for browser automation. Here's how it works. The AI takes screenshots of your browser. It analyzes what's on the screen. Then it performs actions like a human would, clicking buttons, typing text, scrolling pages, dragging and dropping. It even handles multi-step tasks like researching stocks, comparing prices, or filling out entire forms. And get this, it's ranked #1 in accuracy and speed for UI automation tasks. That means it beats every other competitor out there right now. This isn't totally new. Google has been working on this for a while. It started with something called Project Mariner. That was their experimental AI agent that could browse the web for you, but now they've upgraded it and they've integrated it directly into their Gemini ecosystem. So now anyone can access it through Google AI Studio. No fancy setup, no complicated installations, just log in and start testing. Here's why this is a game changer. Most automation tools require you to write code or connect to APIs, but this, you just tell it what to do in plain English. It figures out the rest. You could say, find the cheapest flight to Paris under $500. And it'll go out, search multiple sites, compare prices, and come back with results. Or you could say, fill out this grocery order form with these items, and it'll handle the whole thing. No coding, no manual work, just pure automation. Okay, let me show you what this thing can actually do. Because when I first saw these demos, my jaw dropped. Let's say you want to check the latest stock price for Nvidia. Normally, you'd open a browser, search for it, scroll through results, find the right page, and extract the price. That's like 5 steps. With Gemini computer use, you just say, get me the current Nvidia stock price. And the agent does everything. It navigates to the right website, scrolls through the page, finds the price, and pulls it out for you all in seconds. This is perfect if you're tracking investments, doing market research, or just need quick data. Here's another one. Let's say you run an online store or you need to order supplies for your business. You could tell the agent, add these 10 items to my cart on this grocery website, and it will go through the entire process. It clicks the items, adds them to the cart, compares prices if needed. Now imagine using this for the AI profit boardroom. You could automate ordering supplies for events, restocking inventory, or even setting up recurring orders for your business. This saves you hours every single week. Okay, this one is just for fun, but it shows how smart this thing is. Someone tested it on the game 2048, that tile matching puzzle game. The AI didn't just play randomly. It analyzed the board, made strategic moves, and actually won the game. Now, you're probably not using this to play games, but it proves that the agent can handle complex reasoning and decision making, which means it can tackle way more advanced tasks for your business. Here's where it gets really practical. Let's say you need to send an outreach email to potential clients for the AI Profit Boardroom. You could tell the agent, draft an email inviting someone to join our AI automation community. Mention the benefits and keep it under 200 words. And the AI will open Gmail, write the email, and even format it properly. You just review it and hit send. This is huge for anyone doing outreach, client management, or content creation. Right, quick pause. If you're watching this and thinking, how do I actually use AI tools like this to grow my business? Then you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where we show you exactly how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like Gemini computer use. We're talking about real automation strategies that help you get more leads, customers, and traffic without spending hours on manual work. Inside the AI Profit Boardroom, you'll learn how to set up these tools, create workflows, and scale your operations. And the best part, you'll be learning alongside thousands of other entrepreneurs who are already crushing it with AI. If you want to stop wasting time and start automating, check out the link in the description. All right, back to the video. Let me show you how to actually use this thing yourself, because the setup is surprisingly simple. First, you need to go to Google AI Studio. That's at aistudio.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to get an API key. Don't worry, it's free. Just sign in with your Google account and generate the key. Next, you need to enable the computer use preview feature. This is still in experimental mode, so you have to manually turn it on. Once that's done, you can start testing. Google provides demo code on their GitHub repository. You can literally clone the repo, paste in your API key, and start running examples. If you don't want to mess with code at all, there's an even easier way. Go to BrowserBase. That's at gemini.browserbase.com. This is a free playground where you can test Gemini computer use without writing any code. You just type in what you want the agent to do in plain English, and it runs the task for you. It's perfect for beginners. Let me give you some example prompts you can try right now. You could say, book the cheapest flight to Paris under $500. The agent will search multiple travel sites, compare prices, and find the best deal. Or you could say, summarize the top 5 posts on Hacker News today, and it will browse the site, read the posts, and give you a summary. Here's one for the AI Profit Boardroom. You could say, find the top 3 AI automation tools for growing an online community and compare their features. The agent will do all the research for you and present the results in a clean format. You could even say, create a list of 10 potential clients for the AI Profit Boardroom based on LinkedIn profiles in the AI space, right? Now, this is where the safety features come in. Anytime the agent is about to do something risky, like making a purchase or filling out a captcha, it will ask for your confirmation first. So you're always in control. You can review the action before it happens and approve or reject it. Here's why this changes everything. If you're running a business, you're probably spending hours every week on repetitive tasks, researching competitors, filling out forms, checking prices, drafting emails, managing orders. All of that takes time. With Gemini computer use, you can automate almost all of that. Imagine having an AI assistant that can handle your research, your outreach, your data collection, and your admin work. That's what this tool gives you. And it's not just for big companies. Solopreneurs, small business owners, content creators, anyone can use this. Let's say you're running the AI Profit Boardroom and you want to grow your community. You could have the agent search for potential members on LinkedIn, draft personalized outreach emails, and even schedule follow-ups. Or let's say you're doing SEO research for clients. You could have the agent analyze competitor websites, extract their backlinks, and compile everything into a report. The possibilities are endless. Now, I want to be real with you. This tool is still experimental. It's not perfect. Sometimes it makes mistakes. Sometimes it needs supervision. And right now is mainly available in the US and works best in English. But even with those limitations, it's incredibly powerful and it's only going to get better. Google is already working on expanding this to mobile devices and full app automation. So what you're seeing now is just the beginning. If you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free AI community. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 40,000 members who are crushing it with AI. We're talking about real people who are using tools like Gemini computer use to grow their businesses, save time, and scale their operations. You'll get step-by-step guides, templates, and direct support from people who've already figured this stuff out. So if you're serious about using AI to automate your business, that's where you need to be.